just a quick speed run on my week. So I started off with doing some storyboarding for this headphone company. Basically, they're a in-ear earphones company called Hadi's, and I was doing some, a couple reels for them. And this is how my process. This is how I process, my videos and stuff. So my process is basically get the script done, like understand what the client needs in terms of the guidelines, and then I make a script out of it, and then from there I make my storyboarding. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, and I use this app called Cosmic, and it allows me to do that. It's great board that all these creators use, and it's been this shot I really like. And then I moved on to visiting Tesla. So basically my battery's been dead recently. Not dead, but like it's dying, I feel like, and the range is just dying. So I wanted to check if I could get a replacement stuff since it's under warranty. So they basically said, they sent me home. They said that after the new update, I can do it at home. So I'm pretty much going to do that for whenever I get time. So, and then here's some footage. I was working at a coffee shop. A quick demo I shot for Lexora, this AI assistant I'm creating. And I wanted the UI to look a bit more like Claude and stuff. So that's pretty much what you're seeing here. Back to some editing for AI time management app. I made a couple reels for them, UGC type reels, and it'd be looking a bit better, my B-roll. So hope you guys like it. But yeah, today shooting some Instagram content for the AI legal tech startup that I'm creating. So just going to a spot outside. I haven't really done any videos outside, but yeah, this is gonna be first time. I'm trying to find a place where I can set my camera up and shoot some content. Because let's see how it goes. Because I don't know. It's like sometimes it's like getting over the fear, or like I don't know. It's getting over the awkwardness feeling and stuff. I think the more I do it, the more comfortable I'll be.
I use this everywhere, bro. Because it's actually. I think they improved the recipe.
Jeez. Why on camera looks so much. Here's my weekly meeting that I have with my other co-founder at Council Connect. So basically, Council Connect is rebranding into Lexora now. We were a web app before, helping people find a top-rated lawyer near them, and now we're making it into that, but also a AI legal assistant. So we've been working on it for about 6 years now. It's been a grind and stuff. So this meeting was basically entailing about the legalities around it. So Ablag was explaining that part. He did some research on it and making it possible, right? Because it's in kind of in a gray area right now, and we wanted to make sure that we're following the rules and everything, and we're staying in the making it legal. So making that possible and seeing what we need to do to make it legal, and then what else do we do? We applied for some grants throughout the summer. So with this AI project, we're gonna need some funding up front. So just checking out and seeing what the requirements were for the grants, and then we also lastly talked about the branding and logo stuff for Lexora, and just so we know what colors to use for our pitch deck and stuff in the future, which we'll use to hopefully get investors on board and stuff. Once we time lapse that made for a VPN company I was working for, making I think this was on a single cinematic reel that was made for them. So this one I spent a lot of time on this one. I had probably like 6 to 8 hours, just because I was trying to learn, some motion graphics and stuff, and switching from CapCut to Premiere Pro and After Effects. So this week was probably one of my monumental weeks, I would say, in terms of my growth, just because I learned a lot on, using After Effects and Premiere Pro. And now you'll see the clean, animated text designs and graphics and stuff. I also use Figma. I'm pretty good with Figma for my software UI UX design. So yeah, I just used the graphics for that and made a really nice reel for that. And if you want to check that out, it's on my Instagram. And yeah, just this is basically a quick